बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। खालिद उमर here। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा of an incident which occurred on 30th August between allegation on the Chinese army by the Indians of having protruded in the central sector. The border between India and China is disputed for most of the length, and therefore in the central sector, which consists of Uttarakhand province of India as well as Himachal Pradesh, there is a border of 525 kilometers, out of which 350 kilometers are in Uttarakhand area. So the intrusion, according to Indians, occurred in the Thunjun Pass La area, which is at a height of 16,000 feet, in the Barahoti area of the line of actual control, as the Chinese Indian army calls it, because the border is not very clearly demarcated there so far. The very first incident between Indians and Chinese also occurred in Barahoti area in 1954, way back. Then 5 years later, in 1959, there was an incident in Khinzmani area. Now, Thunjun La Pass is close to it, within Uttarakhand province or state of India, is the Dehradun Indian Military Academy, as well as 9th Infantry Division, 9th Infantry Brigade, Independent Brigade. Is a brigade plus size force, which is at Josimat, the slide that I showed earlier. So according to the Indian official account, over 100 Chinese soldiers of People's Liberation Army entered Barahoti area on 30th August in the Thunjun La Pass area, which is about 16,000 feet, and damaged a bridge and infrastructure in that area, and then withdrew. The Chinese People's Liberation Army is also alleged to have used 55 horses. The People's Liberation Army, according to the Indian official account, withdrew before they were confronted by the Indian Army. Well, in any case, the Indian Army is far away from that place. There are no roads, and for quite some distance, going towards Thunjun La, the Indian Army has to foot it, move on foot. It takes a lot of time, a number of days to reach the line of actual control at Thunjun La Pass area. So the allegation has occurred now after a month of the Chinese intrusion, which had taken place on 30th August. You can see the state of communications available to the Indian Army, and they have Indo-Tibetan Border Police, which is also in Ladakh. Their posts are there with intervals. There are large gaps because they are finding it difficult to man all along with manpower, and there are Indian Army posts also in the area southeast of Thunjun La area, in the area of Mahila. But also that is also over 1 to 2 days trekking on foot. So if the Indians continue highlighting this unproved incident, they have created it. I think there's a blame game from the Indian side on the Chinese. The Chinese will react. They will not keep quiet. Thank you for today. Pakistan Zindabad. Allahu Akbar.